Okay. Wait 2 more minutes. So 2 days back, we are faced one issue in real-time issues in EPFO website. Okay, we will discuss the two errors. Okay, this is our WhatsApp channel. In the WhatsApp channel, only technical things only delivered in this WhatsApp channel and all the things. Any issues we are faced in the real-time issues, we can send the screenshots in this channel. Okay, any real-time issues identified in the websites, we can send this channel. So recently we are identified in one of the one of the EPFO website, two errors, two errors identified. Identified. One is 503 issues, and second thing is DB listener issues identified identified. Okay, so we discuss these two incidents in the production issues. These two are about two are production issues. About two are production issues. It's P1 or it's P2 issue, P2 related, P1 and P2 related tasks. Okay, this about two incidents about two incidents are occurs occurs in occurs in whole whole day due to packet loss packet loss for 503 issues 503 issues. Okay, packet loss of 503 issues. And under DB listener is nothing but somewhat, not exactly, somewhat, maybe network related or port number or DB host name or password mismatch or password never expires. Okay, password expires, maybe we cannot judge this is a particular issue. So these two are the real-time issues we are identified in the one of the EPFO website. I will show you the evidence. This is the evidence. One of the my team member are accessing the EPFO website, the unified website, EPF website. He is accessing 503 service unavailable. It's showing, see, service unavailable. It's showing service unavailable. Say 503 issues. His server is temporarily unavailable due to service request due to maintenance downtime or capacity problem. This is occurs at 6 p.m. not night. This is occurs. This 503 issue occurs. This 503 issues occurs in in yet in 500 occurs on 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 16th 6 p.m. 16th 12 2024 onwards onwards This issues faced this issues faced same DB listener issue also faced same time same time 7 p.m. onwards DB listener issues occurs. Will show you the evidence. Will show you the evidence. Will show you the evidence. This is this is the evidence. SQL listener refused the connection with the following error. Warra 12516. The listener could not find the available handler to match the protocol step. This is the real-time issues in the production issues. These two are main real-time issues identified. Okay. Say at 7 p.m. onwards, this issue is occurs. DB listener same day, 16th 7 p.m. 7 p.m. 16th to 12 2024 onwards, DB listener issues occurs. Whole day issues faced. Warra 1216 issue is faced in the EPFO websites. What exactly 503 issues is raising? That means in the 503 issues, logs are not generated. Logs are not generated in IHS or IHS level and app server level. So request is not met, not meet, not pass. Request is not able to request is not able to pass via LB comma WAV through IHS. So in these scenarios, we are identify any misconfiguration is occurs. Any misconfiguration occurs in IHS or app server level, verify one more time in systemout.log and system error.logs. If not identified, we will go through FFDC logs. We will go through the FFDC logs. FFDC nothing but first failure data capture. Okay. Verify IHS access.log and error.log. Verify access.log and error.log. Error and http dot hyphen plugin dot log also we can verify. Log also we will verify if communication is established or not. These are not any SSL related issues are there or not. Identify. Identify. So everything is working fine. So in this scenarios, in this scenarios, in this scenarios, we are we are go we are we are maintain one bridge call for all teams, and verify load balancer team, and network team, comma firewall team through backend IP address, backend server's IP address, Okay, in the backend server IP address, tell them tell to LB team IP address, anything IP address 192 dot something. In organization generally starting with a 10 dot something, I don't know exactly. Okay, this is the IP address of the LB team. This is IP address of the LB team. We will verify request is passing through LB or not. Request is passing through WAF or not. Okay, sorry, WAF or not. We are given IP address of both address and WAF IP address 10 dot something. This is the IP address and both LB and WAF IP address. Request is passing or not. We can identify if okay, and verify port numbers. Either 80 or 8080 or 443 or 4443 or verify these port numbers. Sometimes 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 DNS also one of the issues, one of the part of issue occurs because this why not three issues, okay. So I have 10 websites, I have 10 websites, 10 websites. So I wanted to deploy my applications. So I want to deploy my applications in the production servers. Each website have each website have one DNS, LB, and WAF are there. In this scenarios, in this point of scenarios, DNS may be point out to DR. We are in DC. We are in DC. DC means data center. DR means data recovery. Some interviews asking maybe this DNS, domain naming system. Okay, these are the main scenarios occurs in the real-time scenarios. If DNS point out to DR in this scenario also sometimes blank white page will occurs request not able to pass through LB level. So we are finally open the bridge call and sort out the issues sort out the issues. This is the main common scenarios in the whole IT organizations. So I will deploy and 10 websites will configure virtual host and port numbers. Any mismatch also verify. This is the main scenarios occurs in the real time scenarios. And one of the production issue is DB listener. DB listener. This is the one of the production issues. This is one of the production issues. See, Java.SQL exception listener refused the connection with the following error. Vora 12516. The listener could not find available handler. This is the one of the production issues while going the interviews. This is the most scenarios you can face. This interview point of view, these two issues is enough. Could not find out. Could not find out. Could not find available handler. Available handler. Those who are preparing interviews, this is two issues is enough. In real time issues, in the 16th of December, 16th of 12, 2024, we are facing the two issues in 6 p.m. onwards. Continuously, simultaneously, there is network mismatch and all the things are identified. And we have triggered last 6 to 12 p.m. also, same issues occurs. While clicking forgot password also, after that OTP also not coming and is showing 5 or 3 issues. So some network is mismatch and network glitches happened due to scenarios. So we are trying actually 100 members. Same 100 members are same issues identified. So in this scenario, this is the main production issues identified. Okay, 100 members are tested. This website, the 100 members are same issues identified. 5 or 3 issues. Sometimes page is opened due to some lagging information. Some icons are not visible. Some information is not visible. This is the issues identified in the real-time scenarios. In this scenario, in the above, DB listener issues were identified in host name of the DB in /etc and host file and host name and IP address is right or not verify that. After that verify the properties file in the backend, in the SSH backend level. There is some dot properties in the properties file. In this properties file, URL is there. In that URL, JDBC URL is there. JDBC URL is there. In the URL, everything is mentioned. HTTPS mentioned IP address, DB IP address, 192 dot something 10 dot and something, the 1521 is the Oracle port number, or maybe they are using SQL Server or Oracle. Maybe these two scenarios issues occurs, and a slash and a DB port DB 63 something DB name is occurs like this, and password password encryption is there like this. Password will be there like this. Password will be encrypted, not be visible. Okay, like this in the property file it will be there. Okay, we open the notepad and you can see in the property file. Okay, later go to the those who are WebSphere application server in the field, go to the DMJ console and verify resource tab. The resource tab, go to the JDBC. The JDBC, click JDBC providers. Under that, the JDBC providers, under this data source, under the data source, click particular data source. You can verify JDBC URL. I will show you the small demo. I have one Windows one Windows server is there. I have one Windows server is there. Long time back I worked at this. This is my Windows server. Start server that bad DMGR. You can use this also in real time scenarios. There is Windows server is there. There is a Linux server is there. There is AX server also is there. Okay, you can prepare those all servers in the your machines for practice purpose. So I will show you the evidence. Okay, I will show you here. Go to the resources under the JDBC. Under the JDBC providers, go to here Oracle database, and here go to the data source and click particular data source. Okay, this is my host name. IT Middleware Technologies is my host name. Host name nothing but machine name. Okay, go down. There is one URL is there. This is the URL. This is JDBC URL. In the URL, this is DB host name. DB host name. Okay. In previously in our laptop like this in real time scenarios, LB host name, comma, failover control you are control comma DB host name and a port number like this it will be there in the real time scenario. Exactly don't know, but it will be there like this URL. There is a drivers are a thick and thin drivers. Thin means directly establish the client, establish the connection without intermediate drivers. There is a Oracle client not installed in the client level. The directly establish the connection. Java database connectivity, JDBC connectivity to communicate by using to communicate or establish the connection between connection between app server to DB. Some of the persons asked about app server. Okay, app server nothing but in the app server we will deploy an applications nothing but var file comma er file comma jar files we can upload in the backend or backend backend using WS admin scripts or DMJR console level. The DMJR console level. The EAR file consists of jar 1 plus jar 2 plus var plus rar combination. Jar 1 consists of application modules. Jar 2 consists of application client dependent modules where file nothing but inside web container. In the web container consists of JSPs and servlets JSPs and servlets okay. It displays the static pages okay. Okay, in this var file webarq file webarq resource or extension okay file java rq resource. These are extensions somewhat different exactly don't know. Okay, rar resource rq in this db related files are updated in whenever deploy the applications, we are find out web.xml is the main configuration file, and one and one more directory also created. This is the one of the certification question. This is one of the certification question. Okay, what directory means? What directory means? Monitor directory is created. This is the one of the certification question. We can identify in the logs clearly. It is created monitor directory. It clearly shows in the logs while deploying a new application or updated the new application. It will shows monitor directory is created. This is one of the most certification question for VAS 9. For VAS V version 9.0 and version 9.5 main certification question. Okay, main certification question is, this is the two issues, real-time issues were identified in this. Okay, this is our WhatsApp channel where getting in real-time issues and interview question preparation, everything will be sent in the WhatsApp channel only. You can follow this WhatsApp channel and updates the real-time issues. Those who are facing real-time issues, and you can send to the screenshot in this WhatsApp channel. Okay. This is the main scenarios identified in December 16th. Two latest issues. Okay, I will this URL is I will send in my comment section. Okay, please follow the WhatsApp channel and updates real time issues. Okay, I am stopping the sharing. If any issues, so please reach out to comment section and other things.